The camera fades in, a shadowy kitchen at dawn, an older woman staring at a bowl of fruit on her counter. Her hands, lined with age, tremble slightly, not from weakness, but from a truth she's just uncovered. The world's been lying to you, especially if you're over 60. You've been told to eat your fruits, but no one told you which ones could rebuild your skin, strengthen your joints, and turn back the clock on aging. There are 6 collagen-boosting fruits, nature's hidden weapons, that can transform your health, and the system doesn't want you to know about them. They profit when your knees ache, your skin sags, and your vitality fades. I'm here to pull you into the light, to reveal the secrets that could add years to your life. Stay with me, this is bigger than you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. What's one fruit you eat daily that you're now questioning? Let's dive into the truth together. You've been eating fruit your whole life, thinking it's all good, but here's the first secret they've kept from you. Not all fruits are equal when it comes to rebuilding collagen, the protein that holds your skin, joints, and bones together. After 60, your body's collagen production drops by up to 30% a year, leaving your skin wrinkled, your joints creaky, and your energy drained. The first fruit to embrace is oranges. They're packed with vitamin C, a cofactor for collagen synthesis that stabilizes and cross-links collagen fibers in your body. A single orange delivers nearly 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, boosting skin elasticity and reducing joint inflammation, per studies in nutrients. I knew a man, George, 68, whose knees ached so much he stopped dancing with his wife. He started eating an orange every morning, and within months, his joint pain eased, and he was back on the dance floor. The industry pushes supplements, but nature's oranges are cheaper and more effective. They don't want you to know this because a healthy you doesn't buy their pills. Slice an orange, feel its juice on your fingers, and eat it with purpose. Your body's begging for it. The second fruit is kiwi, a small powerhouse most overlook. It's not just about vitamin C. Though one kiwi has more than an orange, over 75% of your daily needs. Kiwi also contains vitamin E and zinc, both critical for collagen production and skin repair. A 2023 study in Nutrients showed that consistent vitamin C intake, like from kiwi, increases collagen density, reducing wrinkle depth by up to 15% in older adults. I met Sarah, 72, who noticed her skin sagging and her hands stiffening. She added a kiwi to her breakfast, and within weeks, her skin felt firmer, her grip stronger. She said it was like waking up younger. The hidden force here is that kiwi's nutrients work together. Vitamin C builds collagen, vitamin E protects it from UV damage, and zinc repairs tissues. The system wants you hooked on expensive creams, but kiwi's natural synergy is your real defense. Peel one, eat it fresh, or blend it into a smoothie. Don't let the world's noise drown out this simple truth. You deserve to feel vibrant. Now, let's talk about strawberries, the third fruit. They're not just a sweet treat, they're a collagen factory. A cup of strawberries delivers nearly 100% of your daily vitamin C, plus folate and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which breaks down collagen. A 2021 review in Clinics in Dermatology found that vitamin C from berries reduces sun-induced skin damage, keeping your collagen intact. I knew Martha, 65, who felt her skin was thinning, her joints aching after gardening. She started eating a handful of strawberries daily, and her skin regained a glow, her joints felt less stiff. She even started teaching yoga again. The secret they don't tell you is that strawberries' antioxidants, like ellagic acid, protect collagen from free radicals, which accelerate aging. The beauty industry wants you buying serums, not berries. But you're wiser than that. Grab fresh or frozen strawberries, eat them whole, or toss them in yogurt. Your body's not old, it's waiting for you to feed it right. The fourth fruit is guava, a lesser-known gem that's a collagen-building powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin C, 4 times more than an orange per serving, plus lycopene, an antioxidant that protects collagen from damage. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology showed that lycopene reduces skin roughness and supports collagen integrity. I met Henry, 76, who struggled with brittle nails and creaky knees. He started eating guava daily, and his nails grew stronger, his joints more flexible. He told me he felt 10 years younger, climbing stairs without pain. The hidden truth is that guava's high water content also hydrates your skin, keeping it supple, while its nutrients rebuild connective tissues. The supplement industry doesn't advertise guava, they can't patent nature. Buy it fresh, scoop the flesh, or blend it into a juice. Don't let their lies keep you from this fruit's power. You've earned the right to feel strong. The fifth fruit is papaya, a tropical secret that's more than just exotic. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and enzymes like papain that reduce inflammation, a major collagen destroyer. A 2023 meta-analysis in Nutrients found that oral collagen-supporting nutrients, like those in papaya, improve skin hydration and joint mobility in seniors. I knew Clara, 70, who felt her skin was crepey, her shoulders stiff. She started eating papaya every morning, and her skin smoothed out, her movements eased. She said it was like her body remembered how to move. The secret is that papaya's antioxidants and enzymes work together to protect and rebuild collagen, while its water content keeps your tissues plump. The anti-aging industry wants you dependent on their products, but papaya's natural power is your rebellion. Cube it, eat it fresh, or blend it with yogurt. You're not just eating, you're fighting back against time. The sixth fruit is mango, a sweet ally in your quest for youth. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and copper, all essential for collagen synthesis and tissue repair. A 2021 study in amino acids showed that diets high in these nutrients improve joint function and skin elasticity in older adults. I met Evelyn, 80, who felt invisible, her skin dull, her hips aching. She added mango to her mornings, and within months, her skin had a glow, her steps were lighter. She started painting again, her hands steadier. The hidden force is that mango's nutrients don't just build collagen, they protect it from environmental damage, like UV rays and pollution. The system wants you to believe you need their costly fixes, but mango's natural power is your truth. Peel it, slice it, or blend it into a smoothie. These 6 fruits, oranges, kiwi, strawberries, guava, papaya, mango, aren't just food, they're your weapons against a world that wants you frail. Eat them daily, 5 minutes in the morning, and you could rebuild your skin, strengthen your joints, and live 30 years longer, vibrant and whole. You're not just aging, you're rewriting the story. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video.